Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Canadian Thanksgiving is coming up this weekend, and if you're entertaining, you'll need some hors d'oeuvre and bouchée for your guests. A delicious bite-sized food item that is always a crowd pleaser is my mini cheesy sausage balls. Very easy to make. These tasty little guys are perfect when hosting a soiree or dinner. They can be paired with different dipping sauce, plus you can make them ahead. Bonus! So let's get cooking. This is what I'll be using for this recipe. A pound of mild Italian sausages. If you decide to use hot Italian instead, you'll have to adjust the seasonings accordingly. So, we'll remove the casings, which is super easy to do. Just slice lengthwise with a sharp knife, deep enough to pierce the casing, and peel it off, just like I'm doing here. Then we'll transfer the links to a large bowl. To this, we'll add white onions, followed by roasted red peppers, then Italian seasoning, and to get my homemade blend, the link is on the top right corner of your screen, and some red pepper flakes. We'll also add cream cheese at room temperature, some sharp cheddar cheese. I like using yellow rather than white because it gives a nice color to the meatballs, and a quarter cup of fresh chopped parsley. Next, we'll add our self-rising flour, and guys, you don't have to buy it. Simply make it at home, and the link is on your screen. So now, we'll mix the ingredients, and you know what? No. I'm not wasting my time with a fork, and we'll go the way we should, by using our clean hand. The 4 fingers and the thumb method work much better. By the way, it's not obvious to blend the mixture. There's a little effort needed, but it will come together, I promise. If there's little chunks of cheese, like this one, it's not a big deal. We'll just squeeze it and rub it on top of the mixture. When this step is done, we'll place a cling film to cover the top, making sure it touches the surface, and transfer to the fridge to chill for 1 hour or until we're ready to cook. 60 minutes later, we'll take the mixture out of the fridge and form mini balls with it. With our wet hands, which prevents the mixture from sticking, we'll use a small scoop and roll it in our hands before placing it on a baking sheet lined with foil that has been lightly greased with cooking spray. Unless you have your children or your partner helping you, it takes a little time, but it's so worth it. Finally, when they're all shaped, and they should make 40 little guys, we'll transfer them to a 425-degree preheated oven and bake for 18 minutes. When time is up, we'll turn the heat on broil and cook them for a couple minutes, just to give them a nice color. 2 minutes later, we'll remove these guys from the heat and oh my, they look beautiful and smell amazing too. Without waiting, we'll place the meatballs on a large plate or a baking sheet lined with paper towels to remove any excess fat. We'll leave them there for about 5 minutes and then transfer them to a serving plate with a dipping sauce of your choice. And my friends, these are our mini cheesy sausage balls. These delicious little guys are great to serve when hosting a dinner party or soiree. This fun food is a must for any occasion. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!